Welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Bhumika Thakkar from Computer Department. Now I want to teach you a subject of ACP, Advanced Computer Programming Language. Now what is language? Language means a set of instructions just like English, Hindi, Gujarati, etc. Now what is computer language? Computer language means to communicate with system or hardware, system or computer. Now otherwise we can say that a set of instruction or a program. Now what is the information? Information means it is a passing of instruction. Now there are two types of computer. Two types of computer languages. First one is software and second one is hardware. Computer can combine the two features, software and hardware. What is the software? Software means we cannot touch. And what is hardware? Hardware means we can touch. What is the software? Software means we cannot touch. Just like there are two types of software. First one is application software and second one is system software. What is application software? Application software is just like MS Word, video player, MX player, otherwise etc. Now what is the system software? System software means Linux, Unix, XP, etc. Now what is hardware? Hardware means we can touch, just like print, keyboard, printer, mouse, monitor, etc. Okay, fine. Now what is a C? C is a programming language. Now there are three types of programming language. First one is C is programming language. First one is machine level language. Second one is assembly level language. And third one is higher level language. What is machine level language? Machine level language means computer can understand only binary code. Binary code means it is a 0 or 1. Now what is assembly level language? Assembly level language means user, and as a human being nature, user cannot remember all the code of instruction in binary code. So that's why it is a short name of mnemonics. That's why it is called a assembly level language. I give you one example of assembly level language. First, अगर हमको दो नंबर का एडिशन करना है तो क्या करें? 2 + 3 तो आंसर आएगा 5. वो कंप्यूटर कैसे करेगा कैलकुलेट? वो 2 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेगा और 3 को भी बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेगा. देन आफ्टर आंसर 5 को भी बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेगा. Then after, so all the code of binary user cannot remember. So in assembly level language we can use add instruction. That's why all the instruction can be called mnemonics. Now then third one is higher level language. What is higher level language? Higher level language is nothing but it is a English like language or it can be user friendly language. हम एक दूसरे के साथ इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं हायर लेवल लैंग्वेज. नाउ सी इज कॉल्ड द मिडल लेवल लैंग्वेज. व्हाई सी इज कॉल्ड मिडल लेवल लैंग्वेज? mixture of both higher level and lower level language. That's why it is called middle level language. Now, what is compiler? हमारे प्रोग्राम में पूरे प्रोग्राम जब बन जाता है तब बाद में जितने भी एरर आती है वो कंपाइलर इट कैन बी चेक होल प्रोग्राम, पूरा प्रोग्राम में जितनी भी एरर है वो चेक करके हम एक ही साथ में बताएगा, उसको बोलते हैं कंपाइलर. व्हाट इज इंटरप्रेटर? इट कैन बी चेक line by it can be checked line by line whether error is occur or not. It is called interpreter. Now, what is source code? What is source code and what is object code? Source code means the code is written in higher level language. It is called source code. What is source code? The code is written in higher level language. And what is object code? The code is written in lower level language. It is called object code. What is C? C is developed by Danish Ritchie in Bell Laboratories in 1972. Fine. C is portable language. We can move a program in one PC to another PC. Now, there are two types of problem solving method. First one is flow chart and second one is algorithm. Now, what is flow chart? Flow chart means it is graphical representation to solve the problem. And what is algorithm? Algorithm means it is step by step to solve the problem. Fine. Basic. હું તમને ફ્લો ચાર્ટનો એક ગુજરાતીમાં એક્ઝામ્પલ આપીશ. તો તમારે એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ જવું હોય તો તમે કોઈને પાથ દ્વારા ડાયરેક્શન જસ્ટ લાઈક ગૂગલ મેપ દ્વારા તમે જલ્દીથી પહોંચી શકો, બરાબર? તો એને કહેવાય છે ફ્લો ચાર્ટ. તો કોઈ એક સિમ્બોલ હોય એના ડાયાગ્રામથી તમારે જલ્દી તમે એને એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરી શકો, એને કહેવાય છે ફ્લો ચાર્ટ. ફ્લો ચાર્ટ મીન્સ it is a graphical representation to solve the problem. And now what is algorithm? Algorithm means it is a step by step to solve the problem solving method. Now there are the 6 or 7 symbols of flow chart. There are several symbol of flow chart. First, oil. It indicates start or stop. This symbol is indicated start or stop. Second, it is indicate process, input output. Process of input output. Third one is it indicate rectangle indicate process or expression. This is connector. This diamond is decision support, decision making. Now arrow, it is direction of flow. Arrow indicate direction of flow. Now this is the start or stop. It indicates input or output. It is rectangle indicate the process or expression. Now this is the connector and diamond is decision making and arrow is indicate the direction of flow. Now I can give you an example of flow chart with using symbol. I have one problem. There are two numbers of addition. I have a problem. First, start. Now दो नंबर का हमें एडिशन करना है, वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. नाउ इनपुट A B. Now how we can add of two number? तो C is equal to A plus B. ये क्या हुआ C लैंग्वेज में, उसका लॉजिक हुआ. दो नंबर का एडिशन करना है, ये उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम C लैंग्वेज में लॉजिक. Now आउटपुट C. A प्लस B का आंसर क्या होता है C में, किसमें स्टोर होता है C में. नाउ एग्जिट और stop. Now thanks for watching our video. Please like it, share